Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shayla and I am over a month late on this fucking comeback. I am so sorry everyone. I was so excited for March because we are getting so many K-pop comebacks, especially, oh my god, I was so excited for this NMIXX one, and then my computer died. Like as in like blue screened, I couldn't do anything, and it took 2 months for the company to fix it. So yeah, I not happy about that one. Not gonna lie. But if you want to know like the full story, you can go see it on my Patreon. But that's kind of why I've been not here, and so I am very excited to watch this NMIXX come back. The last It's only been like a year. Oh my god, has made me a big NMIXX fan. I have been really enjoying their content both here on YouTube and over my Patreon. So like I am so stoked to watch this comeback. I don't think anyone understands how stoked I am for this, and this being like my first NMIXX comeback. So yeah, that's about it. I'm ready. I'm just ready. So let's go. This first shot. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Whoa, that melody. Let me show you that what? Hell no. How do they release one of the best songs of their lives here? Oh my god. Oh my god, Lily. Sing. This sound for the chorus. Oh, what are we doing? Oh my god, the vocals. She's so cool. Whoa! Yes, Susan. Show you that. What the fuck, man? What was that? Slash positive. Holy shit. I don't even know what to say. Okay. Now I do. When this came out, all I could see was people talking about how amazing this song was. And I was so pissed off that I couldn't watch it and react to it. And then I continued to see people praising it. And I was like, you know what? this sucks. But it'll be even better when I finally get to listen to it. People were calling this like the best song of the year, the best girl group release, their best song. And I was like, I don't know if anything's gonna be like Love Me Like This, that one. For me personally, because I fucking love that song. And they have quite a few other songs, like quite a few other title tracks that I really, really like. And like See That was so iconic last year, and I was just like, I don't know. And like Run for Roses, like I don't know, though that wasn't a title track, but still. It's gonna be pretty high to beat any of those, and I have to listen to it more. I really don't know, but this sound is so good for them. They sound so good. This like, yeah, and like the R&B like layering and their voices, like this is exactly what I could see NMIXX thriving in for the rest of their career if they wanted to. However, they are so good at so many genres. I'm so excited to see what they do next if it's different from this. But the fact that they can do something like this, so different from what they've done before in their title tracks, and still make it feel like this is something that they could do for the next 40 years and be successful at it, is just so amazing. It just makes me so proud to be a fan of them, because like, oh, they have so much talent and so much talent behind their production team and everything. It just, yeah. I'm just a little bit in awe. I couldn't even tell you what happened in this music video, except for there was like a ship and some water. And they looked gorgeous. Oh my God, as usual. Bae, girl. Anyways, I really, really like this chorus. I think it's my favorite part of the song, and yeah. I also really like Ju's, like, how do I even describe it? Like her energy. Her energy during performances is usually really cool, but I love that like little chanty kind of shouty bit she was doing. I think it was in the bridge. It just brought a lot of like, yeah, energy towards the song, that I think that the song was quite like kind of mid-range in terms of energy. Like you can still like dance to it, they still have choreo to it, but we're not at like the same kind of like high intensity as some of their other stuff, like OO or Dice, or even technically Love Me Like This, but it's kind of like more that middle. But I do think that Ju part where she's kind of like hyping them a little bit, I don't know, I like that. I like that part a lot. So yeah, anyways, we're gonna watch this again. I'll probably have more to say. I'm gonna allow myself to pause and go back and everything this time, but yeah. Oh, know about me. NMIXX, let's go. Ah, she fades it in the beginning too. Wow. Oh, her voice. There's a really cool effect too, because like you could do like, obviously this is shot like green screen, blue screen, whatever. But you could make it look more realistic, if that makes sense. But they're not going for that. They're going for a very specific kind of like era of music video where it kind of, there's just something off about the background. It doesn't look perfect. And I really like that. I really like that like artistic choice. And also the very like, you can see it almost in this shot, or very much in this shot, like the specific color choices are very pleasing in this music video. Like, yeah, like the whites and the blues and golds, I guess. Yeah. Let me show you that. Yeah. This chorus is so low key. Like, it's almost like they are. I'm pretty sure she's right up against that mic, like whispering into it when they recorded this. It's very cool. And it kind of brings, wow, that shot. It kind of brings out the more like the parts later on, especially like Lily's part in that like second pre-chorus.
Let me show you that
Oh, I love that harmony. Oh my God, Lily. This fucking verse. Okay, I need to calm down. Good dance. Okay. Oh.
Let me show you that, show you that. No over me. That's that. Show you that, show you that. No over me. Let you down, so
Why are you that close when you're feeding her? What? What's going on? So, the eye contact? Dang. Yeah, this part. Oh, yes. That build up.
Show you that, no over me. Show you that, no over me. All the time, I have no doubt, it's enough.
I will say, I'm not the best at spotting AI. I really hope none of that was AI because it looks really cool and they have a really cool like design team and everything like that. So I really hope it was just them. Looks a little bit like AI though. Wow. That was so sick. I really like that song. I think it was a perfect length too. Even though it's short, I feel like we got like a bridge slash like a dance break section. Like I feel like it really made sense for the song. And I really like this sound with them. And it seems like whatever NMIXX does, I like it. So I'm very excited for the future. I'm very excited to listen to this album now. Ah, that's so exciting. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry for being gone so long, but now I get to react to some NMIXX, so that's always a plus. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.